Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best first aid tape is probably one of the most underrated items in your medicine cabinet, but when you need it, you really need it. From securing bandages to protecting minor wounds, the right tape can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of first aid tape, exploring different types, their uses, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Band-Aid Water Block Waterproof Tape. This is the Band-Aid Water Block Tape. It's designed to provide 100% waterproof protection for your wounds. This tape ensures your bandages stay secure, even when wet. With this self-adhesive tape, you can confidently shower without worrying about your bandages coming loose. It stays firmly in place, offering reliable protection. The tape is designed for easy use. You can tear it by hand, making it convenient for any situation. Customize the size to fit any bandage. The tape comes in a roll, which is easy to store and keeps the tape clean. It's a must-have for your first aid kit. Experience durable wound protection with this waterproof, self-adhesive bandage tape. It's designed to provide optimal first aid care. What we like. This tape is 100% waterproof, so it's perfect for those who need reliable protection in wet conditions. It's designed to stay on even when showering or swimming. If you are looking for a tape that can withstand water and keep your bandages secure, this is the one for you. What people say. It sticks well and is easy to tear. This tape is great for sensitive skin. It is easy to use and tears easily. Number 4. Emergency Wound Closure Kit 2-Pack. This kit is designed for quick, sutureless wound closure in emergencies. It helps prevent excessive exposure and promotes natural healing. The small package contains all the essential tools you need. This kit is easy to store and carry, making it perfect for any situation. It's also much faster than traditional sutures, saving you time and potential trips to the emergency room. Be prepared for anything. This kit offers a stitchless closure, making it easy and painless to use. It reduces secondary trauma and scarring, enhancing recovery and comfort. It's an ideal solution for those who are afraid of traditional sutures. The zip suture can be tightened using 4 adjustable closures. This allows you to customize the tension across the wound, giving you precise control over the closure process. This kit is completely safe for adults and nursing mothers, regardless of skin type. It's a great alternative to skin glue, skin staplers, and traditional sutures. It's a must-have for all first aid kits. What we like. This kit offers a convenient and efficient solution for emergency wound closure. It's designed to be used in situations where you need quick and effective wound care. If you are looking for a stitchless alternative that is easy to use and reduces scarring, you should consider this. What people say. This tape is very easy to tear. It is gentle on the skin and doesn't leave a sticky residue. The tape is breathable and allows for air circulation. Number 3. Nexcare Durable Cloth Tape, 2 rolls. Introducing Nexcare Durable Cloth Tape. This tape is designed to securely hold bulky wound dressings. You can trust this tape for your first aid needs. This tape is super strong, with a strong adhesive that can hold splints and bulky dressings. It is known in hospitals as 3M Durapore surgical tape. The silk-like material is strong and pliable. It easily conforms to areas like fingers, toes, elbows, and ankles. This flexibility makes it comfortable to wear. Made from breathable woven cloth material, it is comfortable to wear. This design helps to keep the area dry and promotes healing. The cloth first aid tape easily tears in both directions for hassle-free application. This makes it convenient to use in any situation. The hypoallergenic medical adhesive tape is not made with natural rubber latex. You can use it with confidence, knowing it's been tested for safety. Nexcare is a trusted brand of first aid products. You can rely on them for quality and effectiveness. Choose this tape for reliable wound care. What we like. This tape features a strong adhesive that securely holds bulky dressings and splints. The flexible, silk-like material conforms easily to body contours. If you like a tape that is both strong and comfortable, this is a great choice. What people say. The tape is easy to tear. It sticks well and is easy to remove. This tape is great for sensitive skin. Number 2. Juvale Vet Wrap Rolls, Sprain and Strain Support. This set of 12 colorful bandage wraps from Juvale is a reliable solution for first aid and sports. They are perfect for securing wound wraps on ankles, wrists, and knees. It's versatile for various needs. This cohesive bandage wrap provides excellent support for sprains and strains. It doesn't need clips or pins. It's ideal as a vet wrap for dogs and horses, ensuring a snug fit for pet and wound care. Each wrap measures 4 inches by 5 yards, offering ample material for various uses. The elastic bandage wrap can be easily torn by hand. This provides convenience for on-the-go adjustments, whether used as athletic pre-wrap or wrist tape. The non-woven fabric sticks to itself and not to skin or fur, allowing for painless adjustments. This feature makes it ideal for dog leg wrap and horse wrap bandages, offering reliable support without compromising comfort or mobility. This set includes 12 rolls in assorted colors. It adds a splash of color to any first aid kit. Ideal for vet tech supplies or sports wrapped self-adhering needs, ensuring you're always prepared. What we like. This wrap is self-adhering, making it ideal for securing bandages on both humans and pets. It provides excellent support for sprains and strains without the need for clips or pins. If you have pets or are involved in sports, this wrap is a must-have. What people say. The tape is easy to tear. It sticks well and is easy to remove. This tape is great for sensitive skin. Number 1. Mooerca Rainbow Cohesive Wrap Bandages. Introducing the Mooerca 12-pack bandages. You get 12 rolls of self-adhesive sports bandages in various bright colors. This is perfect for kids and a great way to save money. Get ready to ditch those boring bandages and embrace the rainbow. These bandages are made from high-quality, porous fabric and non-woven material, ensuring they're safe for your skin. The durable, elastic material allows for easy application on almost any body part. You can tear it by hand, no scissors needed. Unlike traditional bandages, these are self-adhesive, so they won't loosen or fall off. Forget about irritating adhesives or pins. It sticks to itself, not your hair or skin, and it stays put, even with sweat or water. This elastic bandage is designed to protect your injury, relieve swelling, and promote healing. It's ideal for strains and sprains, and it can even be used on pets. The soft, breathable material allows for proper ventilation, aiding in recovery. Made from breathable, lightweight, and soft non-woven material, it's gentle on the skin. Use it on ankles, wrists, fingers, and more. It provides support for swelling, dressing wounds, sprains, and general soreness. It's perfect for people, children, and pets. What we like. This bandage features a self-adhesive design, eliminating the need for pins or clips. The variety of colors makes it fun and suitable for children. If you like a versatile and colorful option for various applications, this is a great choice. What people say. It sticks well and is easy to tear. This tape is easy to use and tears easily. It is gentle on the skin and does not cause any irritation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.